Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make free PayPal money instantly in 2020 so you can create income online on a daily basis. Start from today. And if you would like to learn even more ways to create money online, no experience needed, please subscribe to my channel now and click on the bell notification icon so every time I will publish a brand new content you will get notified. So let me introduce you with Idle Empire, where you can earn free PayPal money today. Answer paid surveys, play games, or watch videos to redeem free rewards, guy. I kid you not. All you need to do is to sign up. You can watch the video, and they are, as you can see, they are completely reliable. They rated 4.4 with over 1,000 reviews. And let's see how does it work. So first step, you need to register on the platform. No extra registration needed, guys. You can immediately sign up to the platform with your existing social media account. They support authentication through Google, Facebook, Twitter, Discord, and Steam. Prefer to sign up with your email address and password. This is also fine, guys. So this is the first step. The next step is start earning points. I don't know what else do you need to wait for. Once you've registered your account, you can start earning points. Simply answer paid surveys, play games, watch videos, or test software, and they offer a variety of established earning methods, so you'll easily find something that suits you. Then the third step is redeem PayPal money. So after collecting enough points, it's time to redeem your PayPal money. Then make sure you deliver your rewards within 24 hours, guys. So you can do it on a daily basis. Okay, you can start and make money online completely free from wherever you want. No experience needed. And you can do it on a daily basis. So please start, okay? The shop contains a whole bunch of other rewards too, just in case you're interested in something else than PayPal money. You can see they have like 500k, guys, so 500,000 already members with them. They already paid out over $1 million to their members, and with 270 different rewards and over 3 million surveys answered. I mean, guys, people just use the platform to make money online, and you can make free PayPal money instantly in 2020 with this site very easily. As you can see, if you want to read about them a little bit, they have like their about section on these guys. They are briefly telling you that with PayPal you can transfer money online in seconds, shop a million of online stores globally. It's never been too easy to pay online. The world's at your fingertips, and it's true, guys. You can do it from anywhere, from your desktop, from your mobile, if you have a tablet. So from your tablet, from home, from I don't know, if you're on your way to something, all you need to do is just connect your browser and go there and go to this site, and you can start and make free PayPal money instantly in 2020. No experience needed. It's very easy. And if you wonder how do you get your money, so to receive your free PayPal money, all you have to do is sign up for an account on their platform, answer a few paid surveys, watch videos, or complete offers, and quickly redeem your points for PayPal balance. They have gifted over $1 million worth of rewards since 2015, and they want you to have your share. If you're new to PayPal, guys, let me show you something. PayPal is an American operating worldwide online payment system that supports online money transfer and serves as an electronic alternative to traditional paper methods like checks and money orders, like some of the old. The company operates as a payment processor for online vendor, auction sites, and many other commercial users, for which it charges a fee in exchange for benefits such as one-click transaction and password memory, PayPal payment system, also called PayPal, is considered a type of payment rail. I mean, the platform currently has more than, pay attention very careful to this number, guys, 286 million active registered users, which means, guys, that you can start and take use of their advantage in the market, so you can get money in a blink of an eye. So you have like a lot of these kind of sites which pays you for complete all sorts of tasks and missions, such as surveys, watching videos, play new games that the games company want to test. They maintaining an excellent Trustpilot rating with over 8,000 reviews. So here they tell you can see for yourself what others have to say about them. They have like large rewards selections. I mean, you are not obligated to just PayPal. You can use Amazon gift card. You can get your money cryptocurrency if you want, iTunes gift cards, and many others. And if you don't like to answer the surveys, you can complete different kinds of offer. You can mine cryptocurrency. You can play games on their servers and more. As you can see here, they rated excellent, and they have trusted site based on the review. You can see they put in Trustpilot. So guys, don't miss it. Join them now and start earning free PayPal money instantly in 2020, so you can make money online, no experience needed, from everywhere. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go down at the bottom and comment. Let me know what part of the video you enjoyed the most, what your biggest takeout is going to be, and how you're gonna apply it on yourself. Once you've done that, make sure to subscribe, because I've got an awesome video coming out soon, and if you click on the bell notification right now, I'm going to make sure you won't miss that video, because I'll notify you as soon as it gets published. Till the next time, guys, see ya.